Right, so we finally finished this one. COVID put a stop to it over 9 weeks ago now, so it's been nearly 10, 11 weeks in the making. But it's finally finished, up to our usual standard as well. It's 4 metres across the front, it's 3 metres deep, it's a garden and family room. We've put a little paved area in there in the front as well. Some Indian flagstones, some nice little sets. Got 3 metre bifolds to the front aspects, which open up effortlessly. We're now using Express Bifolds in Leeds, top company for aluminium doors and windows. If you want to come in, I'll let you have a look at what we've done inside. So we fit a laminate floor. It's been painted throughout by the customer. We've got some fire rated downlights in the ceiling. We've got a window to this side wall there. She chose a high window so she can still have a sofa against the wall, which is a good idea. Nice to have a little bit of air flowing through. Nice aluminium anthracite grey window there with the opener locked. If I can just push through the stuff, we've got a socket down there in the corner. We've got one on this back wall behind these two sofas. We've got a digital timer wall heater there, 2 kilowatt wall heater. We've got a modem over there which is connected to the house internet. And we've also connected this TV and we put an aerial up for as well. So that's that one finished. It took a lot longer than we ever wanted it to, but it is what it is, I suppose. COVID didn't beat us on this one, we managed to finish it. I'll just show you these doors, how effortlessly they open and close. Bifold doors, everybody wants them. Right, so that's your leading door. That opens like a regular door. It goes back, there's a magnet catch out there which stops the handle from banging against the frame. Then you've just got that lever there, pop it up like that. Look at that, look, one finger operation. That's how smooth and easy these glides. You can actually just push it along with one finger. Again, I'll show you again like that. So you pull it like that, pull that handle in. That's it, it's locked, no effort there at all. And then that's your leading door. So, if you just come over here, you might be able to hear this sound. I just want to show you something as well. Just come over here then. Right, so I'll be quiet and listen to this sound. That's how thermally efficient and sealed these buildings are. That's the air trying to escape as I'm opening and shutting the door. So if you want these rooms or in these garden buildings, we'll build any size, any shape. I am now saying we are definitely the best in the country. I've had loads of emails saying that they want to go with us. They've looked at other people's quality and work and it's not to the standard that we're doing. So we are building the best ones in the country. Give me a ring, give me an email or just drop me a message and I'll give you a quote, but I can only fit so many in every year because I'm going to be on every job. Quality will never ever slip. Call us today, Oakwood Garden Room.